DR Horton has some of the best floor plans and models and affordable options here in Southwest Florida. Today, I'm going to give you a tour of the Jemison model, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,600 square feet, and in an absolutely affordable price point. My passion is helping buyers and sellers here in Southwest Florida. If you have questions about real estate, looking to purchase, or you have a home that you need to sell, call or text me today at 239-450-5786. And while you're at it, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell to be notified about my future videos. If you are a first-time home buyer, small family, newlywed couple, or you are looking for a retirement home here in Southwest Florida, DR Horton's Jemison model is a perfect option, offering 1,600 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage, and a very spacious floor plan. And I'll tell you what, the pantry on this kitchen is fabulous. Let's take a look at the Jemison model. Jemison does offer a 2-car garage. One of the great features of the Jemison is this fabulous pantry. Look at that space. Very spacious walk-in closet. Well, there you have your tour of the Jemison model. If you're interested in this home or any other questions regarding real estate in Southwest Florida, reach out to me today, 239-450-5786. Call, text, email me, click the links below. Let's have a conversation about how I can help you with your real estate goals in Southwest Florida.